Good morning, students. This is our first lecture, and our subject name is Economics for Engineers. Its subject code is 3140911. Okay, today we will discuss our first chapter. Its name is Economic Decisions Making. Okay, so first of all, here how to take decisions in our organizations. So all things we will covered in this chapter. Okay, here we will discuss three topics. What is the definition, types of decision making process, and decision making process. So here first point is definitions. So according to Haynes and Massey, decision is a course of action which is consciously chosen for achieving a desired result. Means whenever we are taking any action, so before taking that action we have to think which kind of decision we have to take that is beneficial to take that action in a positive way. Our second definition is decision in its simplest form is a selection of alternatives. So here this is the very simple definition. Through this definition it shows we are confused, we have so many alternatives on which way we have to go and which decisions we have to take that is beneficial to us for our personal growth as well as in our organization. Yes, so here there are two simplest definition. Okay, now our next point is types of decision making. So here whenever we are taking a decision, so at that time that decision is for our personal growth, for organization, it is that decision is taken for individual groups. So here different types of decision making are given to us. So first point is personal and organizational decision. So first of all, what is personal decision? So personal decision means what? Okay, whenever we are taking that decision for our own, so that is personal decision. So here I am taking one example. Suppose I want to purchase one car. Yes, so that which car I want to choose, that is up to me. So that is our personal, that is my personal decision. Second one is organizational decisions. So whenever we are taking a decision for organization, so for that we have to discuss our managers, senior managers, departmental managers, and then we are taking a decision. Yes, so that is organizational decision. Whatever the decision is taken for organization, that impacts go from top to bottom. Means here from top level person to bottom level person, that decision is affected. So that is organizational decision. Our second type is individual and group decisions. So first of all, what is individual decision? So individual decision means what? That is taken for the single individual, that is taken for the particular person, that is individual decisions. They are mostly routine decisions. Means in a routine day, whatever the activity we have, whatever the activities we have to done, for that we are taking a decision, that is individual decisions. Next one is group decisions. So group decisions means what? So here whenever that decision is taken with the help of group, with the help of some expert people or some expert people committee, so that is group decisions. So here we are taking one example for group decision. Suppose whenever admission whenever we want to take a admission in our college or in our school, so at that time Admission committee for college, board of directors, etc. are involved in that decisions, which kind of how many admissions we have to take in our school or college. So that is group decision. Okay, so third type is programmed and non-programmed decisions. So what is programmed decisions? So that programmed decisions means what? That decisions we have already decided. Okay, so it is already predefined, and it is already it becomes a routine, and it is also repetitive in our life. That is programmed decisions. Based on rules and policies we are taking decisions, that is programmed decisions. Next one is non-programmed decisions. Yes, so what is non-programmed decisions? That decision is taken whenever any uncertainty occur in our life or in our organization or workplace. So at that time we are taking a decisions on a quick way. So that is non-programmed decisions. We are not define anything before that, and on the spot we are taking decision. That is non-programmed decisions. Okay, next type of decision making is strategic, administrative, and routine decisions. So strategic decision means what? So here we want to apply a different kind of strategy, that is strategic decisions. So for that which is also affected for our organization. Okay, so whenever I am giving one example to you, what is strategic decisions. If I want to establish one IT company, yes, so first of all I have to decide on which technology I want to establish that company. Yes, for that I am efforting many forces, like which kind of resources are required, which kind of employees I have to hire for my company, which kind of target I have to finish in every month. Yes, so these kind of decisions are called strategic decisions. Second one is administrative decisions. So administrative decisions means what? Administrative department is taken these administrative decisions, and these decisions are taken on the behalf of higher authority, that is administrative decisions, and that is handled with the help of middle level managers. Means they are from intermediator between public sector and high level authority. So that is administrative decisions. So that decisions is taken with the help of administrative committee, and these decisions are called administrative decisions. Next one is routine decisions. So in a routine life we are taking decisions, that is routine decisions, and they are short level commitment, and we have to we haven't put much effort for taking these kind of decisions. So these are the routine decisions. Okay, our next point is process and steps in decision making. Means whenever we want to take any decisions, so which are the process, means, or we can say which are the steps we have to take for taking decisions. So here six steps are given to us. First one is perception, second one is conception, third one is investigation, fourth one is deliberation, fifth one is selection, and sixth one is promulgation. Okay, so we will see one by one. Okay, so our first step is perception. So first of all, what is the meaning of perception? Perception means what? Awareness. Awareness for taking decision, that is perception. So here I am taking one example to explain these all 6 steps. Yes. So suppose I want to go after 12th, I want to go in a college. So first of all, I have to aware how many colleges are there in Gujarat. Yes, so I have to know. I have to know how many colleges are there in Gujarat for engineering. Yes, so that is our first point, perception. Second one is conception. Conception means what? I have to clear the idea in which college I have to go. So that is conception. Third point, investigation. Yes, investigation means I investigate how many colleges are there, in which area, what is the rank for that particular college according to approved or AICT committee. Yes, and I investigate how many faculties are there in particular department which I have to go, and how the teaching is there in particular college. So I investigate deeply, thoroughly to go in that college. So I am searching for each and every college. So that is investigation to reach my goal. Okay. Next one is deliberation. Deliberation means what? I am thinking whether I have to go in particular college or not. So that is deliberation. Yes, I have to think which are the pros, which are the cons whenever I am taking the admission in particular college. So that is deliberation. Next one is selection. Okay, now for example, I am taking 10 colleges. Out of 10 colleges I am selecting 3 colleges. Yes, and I am out of these are the 3 colleges which my all criteria is fulfilled. So I am selected these 3 colleges, and out of 3 colleges I am selecting only 1 college. So that is my decision. Yes, so that is our next 5th step, that is selection step. Now sixth one is promulgation. Promulgation means what? I am announcing that finally I have decided this college and I go for this college. So that is promulgation. Yes, so all these 5 steps are combined. Based on upper 5 steps, I have decided that I want to go for this college and I am announcing that. So that is promulgation. Okay, so here our first chapter is completed. Thank you for watching this video.